So I'm war wounded, hit a deer, cracked my hood, had to do some fiberglass work, but all that stuff will be here in a day or two. And I'm taking this big beast and trading it for something cool. You'll just have to see when I get there. So the Pontiac ended up going to Ringgold, Georgia, near Brainerd Drag Strip, and was traded for a C10 ramp truck. Kind of rough truck, real rough bed, but he seems to be able to flip this kind of stuff pretty easy. The guy's place that I went to was kind of, I guess, in the middle of a bunch of fancy houses, and he just kind of had a bunch of junk. Seemed to build Duramax trucks. That was his thing, and he was more interested in my rollback than anybody I have ever seen, and wanted to look in it, look under it, sit in it. I mean, he asked everything except to drive it, which is cool. I like talking about that stuff, but he said he wanted to get something nicer than the ramp truck and wanted him a rollback itself. Just on and on and on, but I spent probably 30 minutes talking to the guy. I guess that's why I had to speed the video up so much. And I mean, it was cool. I can't complain. Not my normal deal. The truck hung way off the back of the truck, so I had to run the wheel lift out, put lights on the back, just all that stuff, just to be legal. I didn't figure they would say anything no farther than I was going, but you never know. Sometimes you can catch a trooper that's having a bad day and they'll nail you to the floor. But anyway, I'll show you a walk around video here shortly, and I don't have any of it running, but that truck runs amazingly well for what's in it. The truck had a rattle can paint job. The bed was just kind of cobbled together, and I had absolutely no idea that nothing was holding the ramps in until I got there to unload it. They were just kind of laying there, which was a little scary, but my fault for not checking. Had a Badlands Harbor Freight winch. Not much interior at all. I mean, it was basically missing everything. The cab was solid. I mean, it was kind of beat all to pieces, but I mean, it was all there, I guess, except for door panels and most of anything on the dash. And I mean, I don't know what to say. It's just a junky old ramp truck, and it actually had I assume a 250 6-cylinder with a 4-speed, but it did have power steering, which was kind of odd. On my next video, you'll get to see what this and a little bit of money in another truck was traded for, I believe, but it's pretty awesome. Then I hauled a Thunderbird and a Galaxy that was super clean. That stuff I didn't get any videos of because it was kind of private. But once again, I appreciate y'all checking the channel out. I'm going to try to do a little bit better on my videos and add some more description and not jump around so much, but that's just kind of how I am, I guess you could say. The ramp truck and another C10 that he owns got traded for a super awesome 65 model, I believe, but the ramp truck goes to its new home and the 65 comes back on the next video. But I appreciate you guys, appreciate all the comments and everyone just kind of giving their opinion and talking. Try to do a little bit better, but sorry for the late video. I didn't get back from vacation until just a few minutes ago. So thank you and have a great week.